As the water sweeps into the Okavango, a vast area of the Kalahari is transformed into a fertile paradise. Nowhere on our planet is the life-giving power of water so clearly demonstrated. The Okavango becomes crisscrossed with trails as animals move into its heart. The new arrivals open up paths like arteries along which water flows, extending the reach of the flood. This is an Africa rarely seen,